Welcome back again to another video. So I just started off by doing these simple basic cornrows, 4 of them. Okay, so my cornrows are not like the neatest, but that is what you're going to work with. So if you don't know how to do cornrows on yourself, you can just have someone do it for you. Okay, so we're going to be using lash extension for today's hairstyle, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to find this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. So loves, I started off by crocheting a piece onto my natural hair, as you guys have seen, okay, in the video. So right about now, I'm just taking small piece from the 2 strands of the braid extension so that you can have 3 pieces of hair. Okay, and then after that, I'll just go ahead and start doing the cornrow, and then I'm going to start fitting in the braid extension. Okay, I used 2 packs of Lush Braid, and from each pack I divided the hair into 8 pieces, of course, from the smallest all the way to the biggest size. If you don't know how to do your own fitting braids, then this method is to go for, I'm telling you. Okay, so just like I've mentioned earlier, if you don't know how to do cornrows on yourself, you can have someone do the cornrows for you, and then you can just go in with this method and you're not going to get disappointed, because it is one of the most easiest ways you can do your fitting braids at the comfort of your home. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Gina Tungo. If it's your first time here, most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family, and I will truly appreciate it. So if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. Moving on, we're just going to braid this extension all the way to the very end. Okay, so let me know in the comment section again if you're going to give this style a try, because I feel like it is very easy, super affordable, because just like I've mentioned, I used only 2 packs of braid extension, which is super affordable. And again, if you don't know how to grip your natural hair from the roots, then this method is to go for. As you watch the video, please don't forget to like it so that it can be recommended to some other people. Okay, so once I'm done with braiding the hair, I'll just go ahead and attach it onto my cornrow, just like you guys can see in the video, and then with the thread and needle we're going to sew it in. Okay, so use the blunt point of your needle so that you don't hurt your scalp. So that is one trick that you should always know. Okay,
can I tell you what I loved about you? All the reasons to make it hard without you. Hard without you. Because back then, if I could do it again, would've make it less, so I wouldn't lose you. I wouldn't lose you. 'Cause you were gone too soon, and my only rescue.
so loves, the process is pretty much repetitive. We're going to start by the smallest piece of braid extension. I'm going to crochet it onto our cornrow. Okay, and just like I've mentioned, I set aside 8 pieces of braid extension, okay, from the smallest all the way to the biggest size. And right about now, we're just going to take small piece of braid extension from each strand, and then we're going to begin braiding the hair. And by the way guys, just to remind you, please help me share this video to your friends and to your family. Okay, and again, if you've watched this video till this very point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. Stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. So love, thank you for watching this video till this very point. Now moving on to the last step will be to fluff this hair so that you can have that butterfly effect. Okay, so you want to pull the hair in the opposite direction, okay, so that can have that beautiful butterfly effect. Another important thing that I forgot to mention is that when you'll be going for this hairstyle, you know, you can have the braids look jumbo just like the way I did, and I feel like it will come out beautifully, and you know, that is just my point of view. So if you're going for this same exact hairstyle, then make the cornrows look a little bit big, okay, for you to achieve that flawless nice finish. And just like I've mentioned again earlier, I only got to use 2 packs of braiding hair, so this again is a very convenient, affordable hairstyle that you can always try. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you found this tutorial helpful. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and join the ends of the hair, and then we're going to twist them out. Okay, so after that, I'll just, you know, fold the hair, of which you guys are going to see in a few. I'm going to like tuck them in. You guys are going to see in a short while. Okay, and then with thread and needle again, I'm going to sew it in so that you can have the hair secured and for it not to unravel. And that marks the end of today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.